All right, so I'm gonna be using this little guy here. This is a Reba Rose rice paper, and I've got several over here. So I'm gonna be using this. This is glass. Now let me show you. They came out with the plastic ones, so that's the difference. Yeah, this is what I'm using, y'all. That's a Pent Art product. I love that because the consistency of it, it's almost like, how thick that is. I'm just gonna kind of line it up where I want him. Let's move him over a little bit. Okay, so see, so this is the glass one, and again, this I got this from Hobby Lobby. Now I had these last year. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I hope I don't cut myself now. Look how cute he is. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and paint the back of that, because let me think, what color do I want? I think I'm just gonna do a farmhouse linen. This is a Paint Couture color, and it is just kind of a off-white. Get another, just a plain brush. And the reason I'm doing this is because we're gonna put, if it'll hold up, we're gonna attempt to put or stencil it on the back. We got that, so we just covered it on the back. So what I was gonna show you is, don't have to have moles. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it very carefully. And really, if you get paint on this, you can just wipe it off. So I'm using, you can use ribbon, you can use, I mean, anything really. I'm using that, look how pretty this is. We're just using good old Fabri-Tac. You got this, or you can put bling wrap. If you want to do bling wrap, you can do that. Now this, so anyway, that's what we got so far. And then we're gonna do some layering on here. Just added a touch of this red ribbon. Okay, so we got that, and I am gonna put one piece of, I got a piece over here. I'm gonna put a piece of bling wrap. I'm gonna cut one row out here. Here we go. We got some blingy going on. So we're using our Totally Dazzled bling wrap. Y'all go get you some of that. So I'm gonna take this pack here, the winter pack, and okay, I think I'm going to use this one right here. Let me get my polyacrylic over here. I'm going to get this and kind of seal that. I forgot that. I just remembered that. All right, so I'm going to place this on the back here. I think we're good. I'm gonna do a just a Sharpie. You take these where these dots are, and you want to take some kind of pen, Sharpie or something. Just make a dot on in these circles here. I think I'm finished there, and we're just gonna take that off. And you got your pattern. So you've got your pattern there. We will do do Ruby. All I'm going to do is take this B7000 and just go over those little dots. Okay, there's our, isn't that pretty? So there you go. So you have a cute little ornament. We put that there. So we're going to put this aside somewhere. And then we are going to do a little simple bow. We're just going to do a little simple bow. And then we're going to put our Snowflake Pack. Y'all go check this out. I'm serious. Y'all need this. You need it in your stash. I don't like that one. Oh my goodness gracious. Linda picked one. We're going to pick this one. And then of course, I'll probably put one of these for... just go ahead and string it through there. Let's see what you can do with these stencils. You can up your little ornaments. So he's, and again, he is a Reba Rose. That's a Reba Rose. Thank you, Natalie. Thank you, everyone. See y'all later. Bye-bye.